Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix mouse input not detected in marathon game. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, let me tell you the what marathon development team has said about it. They have posted one post on the X website mentioning we are seeing reports of mouse or other input issues. If streaming, try streaming the whole screen and not the marathon game window specifically. If not streaming or if the above doesn't work, then try disabling Discord or Steam overlays. For Steam, click settings in game and then toggling off enable the Steam overlay while in game. And they have also mentioned that they are aware of some third-party utilities that can introduce this problem. So try closing any screen sharing, screen capture or screen measurement utilities. So they are aware of this issue and they are trying to fix the problem. In the meantime, you can follow these fixes. The first fix is to disable Discord overlay. So open Discord and go to settings, search for game overlay and then untick enable overlay. After this, you can check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then fix is to completely close Discord. So open Task Manager and look for the Discord, right click on it and then select End Task. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to disable Steam overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon game and then select properties. And in the general tab, here you will say enable the Steam overlay while in game. If it is turned on, then turn it off and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to turn off any other overlays running in the background. You can disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience, setting general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. Other fixes includes play in windowed mode. So launch the marathon game and when you are in the game, press the escape button on your keyboard and then click on settings and then go to video and here you will see windowed mode. Just select the windowed from here and then click on apply changes and then go back and then you can check if your problem is solved or not. After switching to the windowed mode, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Next, check if your mouse is properly connected or not. Next, restart the game and your PC. So simply close the game and then relaunch it and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Disable Nahimic audio and your antivirus from Task Manager. So open Task Manager, look for Nahimic audio and your antivirus software. Select each of them one by one and then click on End Task and then you can launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve mouse input not detected in marathon game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.